This is Hoco ES62 dual play mode wireless earphone. I want to connect it to my laptop, so I turn it on. But when I want to connect it to my laptop, the Hoco ES62 device is not showing up on my laptop. If the Hoco ES62 device is not showing up on the laptop, let's see how to fix it. First, make sure that your neckband has enough charge. If the neckband does not have enough charge, charge it for 20 minutes. After charging the neckband, try connecting it to your laptop. If the Hoco ES62 is still not showing up on the laptop, then follow the second method. First, make sure that the Hoco ES62 is connected to another device. If the Hoco ES62 is connected to another device, unpair it from there. Try connecting it to your laptop. Now the Hoco ES62 is showing up on the laptop. Now connected to the laptop. Hoco ES62 is now connected to the laptop.